If you're a heavy Claude user, you know the pain. You're in the zone, building something, going back and forth, and then boom, Claude hits its 5 hour window limit right in the middle of something important. You're forced to start fresh at the exact wrong moment. I got tired of it, so I fixed it. The fix is simple. I set up an automated routine that sends a lightweight bump message into my Claude session every 5 hours, but on my schedule. I pick when the window resets, so instead of Claude timing out at 2 p.m. when I'm in deep work, I got it to set to renew in the morning, the afternoon, and even when I'm not actively using it and I don't have to remember to reset it, the reset happens by the routine. Remember to subscribe for any Claude tips in the future. So here's how I built it. All right, this is how to get it to work. So I'm creating 4 routines. We are going to go ahead and do it starting at 7:55 in the morning. So we're going to hit code, and under code is routines. And we're going to start with our first routine. And I actually have here, this is what works for me the best, 7:55 in the morning. And we're just going to tell it to open window 1. So open window 1. And then we go down here and set it to 7:55. And then hit create. Okay, and then that one creates there. We go back and we do this 2 more times. New routine. And this one will be at 1 p.m. So I set it 5 minutes outside, so just in case the 5 hours runs over, they're not exactly on time. And create. And then go ahead and do that for however many times that you want. And now these will run every day at 7:55, and it'll go for 5 hours, and then at 1 it'll restart. And so this is what it looks like when it's all done, and this is what it looks like when it runs daily. So you can see this gets reset for me every single day. And now I don't have to worry about resetting this window, 5 hour window. It completely does it on its own. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully this helps somebody out. And don't forget to subscribe to this video for more Claude tips and tricks.